Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the new Greenville winter update. Let's head to the cars first. Here we have a BMW. I really like the detail on this one. They keep cooking on the headlights. It's crazy. Here we have a big Toyota. I'm not sure if I would buy that, even though it's a limited. A Kia. No comment. Has some different trims, not a lot though. The map is also slightly different. It has snow and some winter decorations. I actually bought the BMW. Let's see. Sounds very nice. Oh, and before I forget, Greenville also has 10% off sale of everything in the store. That's it for today's video. Merry Christmas everyone, and a Happy New Year.